In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the timeline feature in ClickUp, a powerful tool that enables you to visualize and manage your projects and tasks like never before. Whether you're planning a project, organizing tasks, or tracking progress, the timeline view gives you a comprehensive way to oversee everything at a glance, ensuring you stay on track and never miss a deadline. To get started, let's first add a timeline view to your ClickUp workspace. Begin by opening the list, folder, or space where you want to create your timeline. You'll see a bar at the top with various viewing options. Look for the plus view button on this views bar and click on it. From the list of available view types, select Timeline. You can now give your new view a name that best describes the project or task timeline you're setting up. If you want to make this timeline the default view for quick access later, check the Pin View option. Similarly, if you wish to make this view exclusive for your personal planning, opt for Private View. Once you're set with these choices, click Add View, and your new timeline is ready to go. Now that we have our timeline set up, let's explore its navigation tools. In the top left corner, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Time Period. Here, you have the flexibility to adjust the timeline's scale by selecting between day, week, month, or quarter views. This allows you to zoom in for daily task management, or zoom out to see a high-level overview of your entire project's timeline. When you need to fine-tune your perspective even further, use the plus or ychasas buttons to zoom in or out for a more detailed or general view. And for scrolling through time to see past or future events, simply use the slider bar located at the bottom of the screen. This combined toolkit enables you to navigate your timeline efficiently and effectively. With our navigation skills polished, it's time to add and manage tasks within our timeline. This feature allows you to control task durations and assignments seamlessly. On the timeline, you can drag and drop tasks directly onto the canvas, easily setting their start and end dates by stretching or moving these bars around. Moreover, if you hover over a task and click on it, a detailed menu will pop up. This feature lets you dive into task specifics, allowing you to change the assignee, adjust priorities, or update the status, ensuring each task is aligned perfectly with your project's demands. By mastering these steps, you can transform how you visualize and manage your projects, ensuring better organization and improved team collaboration. Enjoy the newfound power of the timeline in ClickUp and watch your productivity soar. Happy planning!